Well, I am at the Tenere Skyway Bridge, the North River, on the Cherokee National Forest side, in the middle of the Smoky Mountain 500 on my Tenere 700. The reason I'm up here is because DynoJet sent me a their stage 2 kit to put on my Tenere. I had put a full exhaust on it and a foam air filter in it, and I didn't have it tuned. I didn't think I needed to have it tuned. I didn't need to get it flashed, and I rode it for 25,000 miles without it being flashed, and it runs perfect. Runs great. It's getting almost 60 miles to the gallon. And I've ridden it from here in North Carolina. I've been all the way to California, Oregon, Washington, Pikes Peak, Colorado. I've been all over the place with this thing, and it runs good. And folks would get their Teneres, and everybody claimed you needed to get it ECU flashed. It would run lean. It wasn't going to run right. It's going to blow it up. Bad things going to happen. Well, I've been running for 25,000 miles and nothing bad's happened. But I said, if somebody wants to send me a tuner, I'll try it, or flash my ECU. I'll give it a shot, see how it feels. But no, I mentioned that several times at different times, and no one ever did. But then this guy from DynoJet said, I'll send you a tuner. So he sent me their stage 2 kit, which is the Snorkel Delete and their Vision 3. So I put it on, and yes, there is definitely an increase in power. It reduces the engine temperatures by allowing the fan to come on sooner. It's just as smooth, and I haven't noticed a drop in the miles, my gas mileage. I think what guys do is you put on a tuner and you want to feel that extra power, so you're gassing on it a little more than you normally would. But I've been trying to ride it like I normally would, so I don't think it's going to hurt my fuel mileage at all. So yeah, I do feel a definite increase. I'm not sure how much. It probably feels like 2 or 3, like they say on their when they have them dynoed. If I had probably put the full exhaust on it with the foam filter and then had the ECU flashed, I would probably feel a lot bigger increase in power. But since the way I did it, it's some. So overall, yes, there is a difference in power. Now, if that's why you're putting an exhaust on it and getting more air in by a different air filter, and you're doing it for horsepower, then definitely get it tuned. Get the ECU flashed, get it tuned, buy a Vision 3 tuner so you can do that, and it'll be worth having the full exhaust on it, if that's what you're looking for, is more power. And it may smooth it out too. Now, I wasn't having a problem with my throttle response. It was smooth the whole time, but it's just as smooth now. But yeah, go ahead, get a tuner, get your ECU flashed. You'll definitely feel more power. If that's what you want, then that's the way to go. Yo, Tenere.